just spoke about that, stepping up that C scale. Oh mama dear. C's a 5 string, so you start on the 5th string. G, C. When I was discussing yesterday that practice, I've not done that yet. And what it does, it gives you coordination. And if I ain't hearing the turkey going wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wibble wobble, I'm not quite there. Don't matter what beats per minute I'm doing it at. It's good to speed up and slow down because you can then feel your pace of your guitar movement and your skills changing. Right, we're going to talk about chromatics in the G major. It talks about flattening the 5th. I'll slow it down a bit. All I was doing there, I was going down the 4th string, starting on a G. The song itself. What I'm doing now is going from the 3rd, which is a G, to an A, to an A sharp, because the A sharp, B flat, is that note behind the B. And in the last videos we discussed the C, and the B's behind the C note, always one step behind, so behind the B is a B flat, which the B flat is in front of the A. Back to the G. And we just spoke about that, stepping up that C scale. Oh mama dear, I know here. Here's another good one for techniques for your fun practice. Just G. Stay on the G, and if you get good at it, you can start going into the C to the D. That's me walking up and down the bass notes in the G major. I'm trying to give no effort whatsoever. I'm not hurting my hands. I'm not even thinking about my right hand. I'm just hitting where I feel. And you will hit where you don't want to go, but give it a year following my directions. All of a sudden, your thumb will just go where you think. That chromatic's great on that G. It's not a G11. My last video I mistook it and I told you that was a G11, and I heard it back when I was editing and clearly that's your G7. So it's that on holding that F on that high string, it's going to create a G7 of some sort. But if you now hold the C, that'll give you a G11. Sticking on that. And quick chromatic, this is the practice, and just going on that on the 4th string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with anything you want. I'm going to do it with my thumb pick today. And just learn to try and stay in a metronome in your head and go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. And then get to that, what we've discussed is going to be a B flat or an A sharp. And go to your G. Why I do that one, it's just another way to go. You can even chromatic up this, up the 5th string off a G. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to repeat the same notes and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just got to play around with it. Play around with the guitar and then back to that G. Not staying in timing yet, we're just practicing these chords, getting a few notes in his head, and then go from there. Take care everyone.